Hi, friends. Welcome back to one more episode of Deferring Our Exam Date. A warm welcome to you all. In today's session, we'll simplify what it means to defer your OET exam date. I will explain to you how to choose a new test date and share a practical tip to help you adjust your preparation with confidence. Let's get started and make this journey meaningful and very successful. So, first step is you have to log into the OET website, log in your OET account, type in your user ID and password you use to while you book your exam date. Then go to your My Application session. Then click a small arrow in the action column under the My Application session. Then click Defer. Then sixth step is mention your country, from which country you're deferring your exam date. Then click the next step. Then select a new date. You can defer your exam up to 6 months of duration. So let me explain to you why you need to defer your exam date. First and foremost, we need to prepare ourselves before we give the exam, because it's a competitive exam and we need to develop our skill. We cannot develop our skill within a month or two or within 10 or 15 days. It's a gradual process, and I can say that patience is the key. So if you're not sure, then please I request you all to defer your date for at least next 6 months of duration. Then click the next step, then click a confirmation button. Then 11th is you have to do the payment whatever they are asking for. When you defer the exam date, you will lose only 5 to 6,000 rupees, but if you write the exam without preparation, then you will lose around $500. So let us see how we can register first to the OET website to book our exams. So first go to, according to the first page will be, you have to fill up the form according to the requirement. Kindly fill the form, and there is a photo you need to upload which needs some adjustment in the file. That is around 200 MB should be your photo size. So it will not accept any other MB photos. So be sure to modify that and then upload your photos. Then go to terms and conditions. Kindly read the terms and condition and click agree button. Then use username, password. Then security, go to the security page or the purpose page, which country you're applying from. Then fill your email address, then register. Once the registration is over, you will get a confirmation email. Then all the rest of the information will be sent to your personal email. So you need to open with your user ID and password again. Then here you get your dashboard. In the dashboard, they will mention the exams like reading, listening, speaking, the date and the time which you have to appear for the exam. So which profession, then choose the models. Some country require only if you have given the exam before. So some countries require only the particular models, like for New Zealand you can appear only the modules which you have failed, but other countries you need to appear all the subtest. So clarify which modules you need to appear, then select it, and from which country you are appearing for the exam. Then the next page is you have to select the appropriate date, then venue, click to the venue, and you can select whichever venue you prefer from your country. Then finally all the details of your booking is done. Last is the payment. So once you have done the payment, you will receive the invoice in your email address. Then kindly take this invoice to the center from which you are appearing. So this is the process of deferring and applying for the OET exam. So I hope I'm clear. Thank you very much. Let's meet with one more exciting episode. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.